Welcome to a modern frozen pizza factory.
This is where frozen pizzas are made on a massive scale.
The process starts with carefully selected ingredients.
Every ingredient is checked for quality and freshness.
Flour, water, and yeast are mixed to form pizza dough.
Industrial mixers ensure perfect consistency.
The dough is rested to improve texture and flavor.
Machines divide the dough into equal portions. Each dough piece is flattened into a pizza base.
Every base is shaped evenly and precisely. Tomato sauce is applied automatically and evenly.
This ensures consistent flavor in every pizza.
Fresh mozzarella is added next.
Cheese is evenly distributed for perfect melting.
Robotic systems place toppings with precision.
Vegetables are added for variety and taste.
Workers inspect each pizza carefully.
Smart cameras ensure high-quality standards.
Pizzas enter industrial ovens for pre-baking.
This step locks in flavor and structure.
Freshly baked pizzas move to cooling lines.
Cooling prepares pizzas for freezing. Flash freezing begins immediately.
This process preserves freshness and taste.
Frozen pizzas are packed automatically.
Boxes are sealed and labeled. Robots stack boxes efficiently.
Products are stored in cold warehouses.
Frozen pizzas are loaded for delivery. Refrigerated trucks keep pizzas frozen.
This entire process ensures consistent quality.
That is how frozen pizza is made.